Well, it may be a surprise to you, but it's a surprise to me. I'm here at Busch Gardens today for the Scary and Merry event. We are going to go through a house and see Santa, because, you know, that's what you do in July, right? And I brought along a victim. Just kidding, actually, he brought me along this time. So here we go. Hello. It's a lot brighter than I thought it'd be in there, so that's good. Here we go. There we go. It's quite the difference between outside and inside, so it took a moment. Not loving the music, but it works with the theme. Nice. She didn't have a good night. I bet it wasn't silent either. Ooh. I see a spot for a scare actor. I like that. That's cool. Oh, look at all the stuff hanging there. Ah! Oh, I wonder what that fish looks like. I like that. It's pretty cool. This looks like a door, too. Let's see. There are a few scare actors in here today. Oh, man, they're coming for us. They're coming for us, man. Listen to them knocking. Better not stay in here very long. Stuff and face. You want that gift? Yeah, looks like this, I don't know what's scarier, what happened in this kitchen or this kitchen's design or decor. Is dinner ready? Oh. Yeah, those lights aren't supposed to be flickering like that. That's all right. Door. That's an emergency exit. It is pretty cool, even without the scare actors. So, with this all lit with he didn't do too well. With all the theatrical lighting, it's even better. Look at those kids. Cannibal kids. There's a few doors in here that look like scare actor doors. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be looking at the monitor. And of course we have a bathroom scene, because you gotta have a bathroom scene. Oh, there actually is a mirror over there, it's just hard to tell. Oh, air scare. And what else do we have in a haunted house in Central Florida? Laundry. I'm gonna pull this back out. Sorry for the edit there, I had to pull the monitor back out. Nice. Little scare over here, probably. Like the details of the toys. And the drawings over there. Nice. And of course, what do you do next? You walk through someone's laundry. Ah! You walk through someone's laundry. Little pop-up over here. See if I get that right. Peekaboo. Nice. Another scare actor spot. Reminds me of The Shining. You can tell, you can smell the PVC coming over here. Whoa. Ah! I gotta get my acting skills back up to par for acting scared. That guy could have done better. Ah! Walk faster, walk faster. Nice. Looks like a spot for a scare actor right about there in that chair. Whether we'll see one or not, I don't know, but it's an obvious spot for one. I like that guy too. So yeah, once this has a full theatrical lighting, it's gonna be even better, but it's amazing during the day with just a limited amount of scare actors. Oh, okay, let's get out of here. Oh. And we end this walking through a tree lot. I'm assuming there's gonna be at least one more scare in here. And given that it is a tree lot, there better be a chainsaw in here. Come on, it's a tree lot. There better be a chainsaw. I'll be very disappointed if there isn't. All right, so thanks for watching my walkthrough. I didn't even expect this to happen till last night. I'm starting to worry about Jon. I don't think he made it this time. Now how am I gonna get back home? Here's my ride. Great. Well, guess I'll have to figure it out. Never mind, he survived. Okay, good. Now I have a ride home. I mean, good to see you survived, Jon.
Yeah.
Oh man, it's closed for the season. I came here specifically for this. Specifically to go on, I don't know what's back here. Tickets. We're on an event. Pretty cool trip to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay to check out some of their holiday offerings coming later this year. So, thanks for joining me here at Tampa Bay.